In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective intake process using forms in Clickup. This is an invaluable skill that streamlines how you gather and manage information, turning responses into actionable tasks seamlessly. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you have the clearest path to success. First, we start by selecting the location where your form will live. Navigate to the specific space, folder, or list within your Clickup hierarchy that makes the most sense for your form. It's important to note that forms can't be created at the everything level, so make sure you pinpoint this location accurately to keep things organized. Once you have your location, you'll want to add your form view. Look for the Add View button, often represented by a plus sign within the area you've chosen. From the list of view types that appears, select Form. This is where the magic begins, as it lays the groundwork for collecting information efficiently. Now, let's build that form. Clickup offers various form templates to kickstart your process, like feedback, project intake, or order forms. Alternatively, you can begin from scratch if you have something unique in mind. Use the drag and drop feature to add fields from the left-hand panel into your form. Think text, numbers, or drop-down options. Take the time to customize these fields. You can modify existing ones or create brand new custom fields to capture exactly the type of information you need. Don't forget to designate which fields are mandatory. This ensures you gather all the necessary details in one go. If your form requires it, set up conditional logic rules to show or hide certain fields based on the responses given, which tailors the experience to the user's input. Additionally, make your form eye-catching and on-brand by customizing its appearance. Utilize colors, add your branding, and even insert a custom image to make the form stand out for your respondents. After building your form, it's time to share it. Clickup provides multiple ways to get your form into the hands of those who need to fill it out. You can share it using a copied link or embed it directly onto your website or another platform. There's also the option to set an expiry date on the form link, ensuring it's only accessible within a specified time frame. Finally, we come to managing submissions. One of the great features of Clickup forms is that every time a form is submitted, a task is automatically created within the designated list. This task will contain all the submitted data as its details, which streamlines follow-up actions. You can review incoming submissions by navigating to the form's Responses section. For deeper insights, take advantage of Clickup's analysis tools. Use dashboards or the Clickup AI to interpret and visualize the data you've collected. By following these steps, you can enhance your data collection efficiency, seamlessly integrating it into your workflow and turning those inputs into actionable tasks. Now you're all set to use Clickup forms to their full potential.